Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu.
Hi guys, welcome to our group. So, there are 3 members in our groups including me. My name is Gusti Kadde Puspita Sari.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniella.
My name is Komang Mitha Fridayanti. You can call me Mitha.
So guys, in this video we would like to explain about lecture method. There are 5 parts in lecture method that will explain by us, such as first is the definition of teaching method, second is the definition of lecture method, and the third is the purpose of lecture method, and next is the reasons why the teacher use lecture method in learning process or teaching process, and the last one is the strength and the weakness of lecture method. And then I will tell you about a little of example when the teacher use lecture method in learning process. So keep on watching.
So a teaching method comprises the principle and the method that used by the teacher to enable the student learning. So in the teaching method, there are so many methods, but in this video, our groups will explain about lecture method. So lecture method is a method of teaching that use oral explanation to explain material. There are 3 elements of this method. The first one is the student, the second one is the teacher, and the last one is the completely material. So we need the teacher to explain the material, we need the student to accept the material, and we need the material to be accepted and explained. Okay, so now let's move to the purpose of this method. There are 3 important purposes of this method. The first one is to convey a broad range of the material, like understandings or principle or something like that very wide and specifically. Second one is to enhance the students' creativity of listening and summarizing. So in this method, the teacher will explain something that very specific. So the teacher need to listening carefully, and they need to summarize what the teacher explained to them. The third and last purpose is lecture method is like a basis of the method before the student start the new method. They're more complex than this method.
Well, today I would like to tell you about the reasons why the teacher use lecture method in learning process. So there are 7 factors which are strong reasons why the teacher use lecture method in learning process. The first reason is ease in mastering the class. In this method, the teacher will more easily mastering the class because the teacher can control and observe the student directly. In learning activities using lecture method are only teacher-centered, so that's why the teacher can control and lead the class. The second reason is effectiveness in learning with large number of students. If a learning that focus on student activities with large number will overwhelm the teacher in controlling and mastering the class. In lecture method, the information is only obtained from the teacher, so that's why the teacher can more easily to control and master the class well. The third reason is easy in planning and execution. Planning in this method does not require a long time because of the learning nature of the teacher center. In another meaning, the teacher does not require to prepare teaching material such as worksheet or activity sheets because all of learning process only present by the teacher. The fourth reason is save time. The teacher is the controller in learning process, so the teacher can easy to predict when the learning process can end and be complete. In lecture method, students are present directly with the material to be studied by the teacher. So, the learning information seeking activities are not carried out by the student. Of course, in this situation will have an impact on the time and efficiency of the learning process. The fifth reason is can significantly improve students' learning outcomes. By lecturing, the teacher thinks the material can be conveyed well. Information can be clearly explained by the teacher and accommodate all of students with levels of ability. According to the teacher perception, if the material can be conveyed properly, it will influence the students' learning outcomes and the levels of understanding. And the next reason is students become easy to understand about the material. There are some students who have ability in listening the teacher when the teacher explained the material. It will make the students will be having a lot of knowledge from the teacher. However, not all of students can understand if they are just listening about the teacher said or teacher presented. And the last reason is easily combined with other types of method. The use of lecture method must be supported by the other method. Therefore, after the teacher gives a lecture, it is necessary to hold a question answer to the students. This question and answer is needed to find out the student understanding about the teacher has conveyed through the lecture method.
I would like to tell you the next material is about the strengths and the weakness of lecture method. The strengths of lecture method is number 1 is easy for teacher to be a master of the class because they can control the class well. Number 2 is suitable for a class that have a large member. Number 3 is lecture method is more saving time than the other methods. And the last is the teacher can teach much material. The second material is the weakness of lecture method. Number 1 is not all of students be able to understand in learning with this method. Number 2 is the student get limited information because their teacher give the information and they cannot tell their problem. Third is lecture method can make a passive learning because the student just listen information from their teacher. And the last is easy to make student get bored.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
And good.
Yes, thank you. So today I would like to tell you about the definition of fable. So fable is a story that contains moral value in the end of story. And next is the feature of a fable. The first is a fable is intended to provide a moral story. And the second one is fable often use animals as the main characters, and then they present it with anthropomorphic characteristics such as the ability to speak and to reason. Please listen to me. Fables, personality, the animal characters. And the next is I would like to tell you about the example of fable story. One day, two goats try to cross a weak and narrow bridge across the river. The goats are at either end of the bridge, but neither is ready to make way for the other. They come to the center of the bridge and then begin fighting about who should cross first. As they fight mindlessly, the bridge gives in, taking both the goats down into the river with it. The moral value of this story is it is better to yield than to come through misfortune, through stubbornness. Okay, that's all about vocabulary. Is it easy, right? Okay, do you want to ask something? No.
No, no.
Okay, thank you for your attention and goodbye.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming in this class. Today we will learn about 12 tenses in English grammar. Can I borrow your book, please? Oh, borrow book. Yes, Miss, borrow book. Thank you. Okay, so please open your book and our world in page number 1. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so to make it more easier, I will divide it into 4 forms. The first one is simple forms. Simple forms is simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. In the simple present tense, the form is s plus es. That's the important one. The second one is simple past tense. You must use second verb, or we usually use past verb. The third one is simple future tense. We can use will or shall and with the first verb. Next we move to the second forms, that is progressive forms. Okay, the first one is present continuous or progressive. You can use is and are plus verb 1 and ink, like you use ink verb. Next is past continuous. We use was, were, and first form or first verb plus ink. And the last one is future continuous. We use will or shall and then plus ink. So we use ink verb. I think all of you are understand what I say, right? Okay, next, perfect forms. There are present perfect tense. We use has or have plus third form or third verb. And then past perfect tense, we use had plus third form or third verb. The last one is future perfect tense. We use will or shall have plus third form. Form. Any questions so far? That's good. The last one is perfect progressive forms. There are 3 forms in here. The first one is present perfect continuous. We can use has or have plus been plus first verb plus ing. This is so easy, right? And past perfect continuous, we can use had plus been and then the first verb plus ing. Don't forget to use the ing. The last one is future perfect continuous. We use will or shall and then plus been and then first verb with ing. Don't forget the ing. Understand?
Okay, right now I want to tell you about the example of lecture method, and I want to teach my sister about past tense. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Could I know your name?
Yes, my name is Ayu Devi.
Please tell in the camera.
Yes, my name is Ayu Devi.
Okay, right now I want to tell you about simple past tense. And the formula is just subject plus verb 2. If the verb 1 is eat, the verb 2 is ate. Drink, drank, drank, and eat, ate, eaten. So the formula is subject plus verb 2. The example is if you want to write simple past tense, you just write subject. If the subject is, for example, Rina makan, what is verb 2? Verb 2 makan is ate, and after ate, for example, Rina makan nasi. Rina ate rice. Just like that. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. Thank you for your information.
Okay, you're welcome. Good luck for your study.
Okay.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, that's all explanation about lecture method from our group. I'm sorry if there are some mistakes that made by us, and thank you for watching. I hope you can enjoy this video and can understand about our explanation, and see you. Om Santi 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 Om.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Om Santi 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 Om.